Hello, hi guys. Welcome to our part 4 of our important Amazon mini course. In this video, we will be discussing how to rank our product onto the page number 1 of Amazon. It means that we want our product to be visible to the Amazon buyers on specific keywords onto the page number 1. So for example, if someone types in the keyword, our product is available somewhere on this page. As majority of the sellers on Amazon, it's around like 80% of the buyers buy their product from the first page. So once we type in the main keyword, plush strawberry cow, we want our product to be visible somewhere on this page. Because just think of yourself while buying on Amazon. When was the last time you went beyond the page 1 to buy some specific product? It's very rare. So the important question comes in is how to do that. And that's where the magic comes in. And we can do that from PPC. PPC is called pay per click campaign, in which you target a specific keyword to make sure your product is visible on those keywords. And in that way, when the sale is made on that keyword, our product starts to get ranked on that keyword. So here, as you can see, we entered this product and we can see this first supplier seller on the Amazon is selling by a PPC. You are seeing this ad based on the product relevance to the search query. So, and another one, as you can see, the top 4, all of them are PPC ranked products. So all of these sellers are paying just to be on this first page of this keyword. And interesting thing is that Amazon makes its majority of the revenue by ads. So that's why PPC is important for Amazon as well as for a seller like us as well. Now, you must be thinking how I can get myself as a new seller to rank on this page. And that's how we do it. We would be targeting specific keywords and then run PPC on it. So those specific keywords all depends upon your budget and the strategy you want to start. You can easily search those keywords like we did in one of the previous video by using Helium 10. And here you can see we have filtered out a lot of keywords. So we will be looking for the keywords that are highly relevant and then run a campaign on that. I won't be going very deep down into what or how the PPC campaign are run because it's just a mini course. So we are just giving a quick overview. Once you get ranked on those main keywords, after that you will be starting to get organic sales. And then later on, you can reduce your PPC campaigns, pricing, and bids to the lower level. So depending upon which keyword you are searching or you are targeting, so overall, what search volume of that keyword is. So why the PPC, we need to generate at least those number of sales given by these tools like Helium and Jungle Scout to get our product ranked onto that keyword and train Amazon algo, AI algo of their search engine to understand that our product is highly relevant to that keyword. And in that way, the Amazon algo gets trained and make sure that our new product that will be somewhere and starting maybe onto the 9th and the 10th page of Amazon on that specific keyword. Amazon will realize, okay, this means that this product is highly related to this keyword when the people will start buying on that keyword. And soon, slowly and gradually, in a couple of days, week, we will see our product coming from 10 to 7, 6, 5, 3, and sooner onto the first page. So once you get ranked, later on you can reduce your bids to get the organic orders as well. There are other ways as well in which you can get your product ranked onto the first page by using influencers, by bringing the traffic from social media, and a few other tips and methods as well that we will be discussing in our mentorship. So it totally depends upon how much your budget is, what strategy you want to start with, how aggressive you want to start the launch. So all of this is a part of launch when you do, but PPC is the most essential part of Amazon because all of the buyers are already on Amazon. So you just need to make sure your product is visible to them. Yep. So that's pretty much it about the PPC. So guys, in this video, it was mainly to discuss how to make your product rank and be visible on Amazon. So if you have any queries, you can of course always DM me on any of the social media pages, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I usually try my best to respond to every person that messages me as soon as possible. It doesn't matter whether you're part of our mentorship or not. I try to reply back to everyone so that I can help them get onto and start on their Amazon journey. You can also join our Facebook groups where there are a lot of like-minded students, sellers who are always there to answer your queries and help each other, because the best way is that helping each other out will be the best way we can improve and further increase our knowledge as well. So guys, in the next video, I will have a bit of bonus information related to Amazon. So you guys have made it so far. So definitely do check the next video. It's also related to Amazon. And for now, take care and see you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.